Conagra Brands is one of the largest consumer packaged good food company in North America. We make iconic brands. We have frozen, we have grocery, and then we have snacks, and those are the three main product lines that we operate in. Downtime in our business can mean we're throwing away product, we're wasting components that go into our food, and we just can't have that. So uptime reliability is important, and as you look at it from a security perspective, those unplanned downtimes just need to be avoided. Solutions that we're going to bring in have to add value, and we have to have an ROI for it to really take it to scale. Systems are fully integrated within our supply chain organization, right? Everything from, recipes to location of product to financials. If we were to have an event, knowing that that disruption would impact our entire network of operations is something that we take very seriously. Cohesity protects not only within our core carpeted space, but out on the shop floor. And things just happen in a plant. An Excel file will get deleted, something will get modified, and having the ability to quickly get that information back so that a financial analyst can continue to their close process, or that an operator can get that key file back that they can continue on with procuring product from a location is important. It doesn't always have to be a bad actor. Sometimes it's just user error. I'm real happy with the CERT team. We got exposed to them really more proactively. We've used that team to look at our reference architecture, bounce ideas off them, gain experience from that group, from exercises that they've done both in test and in real life. We've used it as we've looked to potentially change architecture or introduce things like a clean room into our environment. Obviously, a team we never want to have to call, but knowing that is available to us that we can run ideas past is important. It's just another data point, right? AI is everybody's topic, and what we've tried to do over the last 18 to 24 months is related to areas that's relatable to Conagra. What are the things that are important to individuals in our organization to make them more productive in their role? Then we have the the enterprise AI platforms that we're trying to do, working with brand teams, working with supply chain. And then lastly, we have machine learning. My relationship with Cohesity, I relate it to it still feels like a small company, but having that relationship with the leadership team, I think is important. And knowing that you can help influence the direction is something that doesn't happen with every organization I work with.